With the new Hitachi machines, we have a complete bolt-on option where we don't need to weld on the machines anymore to put the sensors on there. So you can see the two GPS receivers have handrail bolt-on mounts. And then when we move around to the front linkage of the machine, you'll see up there on the boom, there's a spot where you can just bolt on the sensor bracket. Then we're going to move forward to the stick. You see up there is a bolt-on for the stick sensor. When you come down to the bucket, see over here is your bolt-on spot for the bucket sensor. And on the side with this specific tilt hitch, you have the option of the bolt-on for the tilt attachment sensor.